Okay. Evaluate the following expression given the function below. So I'm going to answer two letters here. A, which is find g of 10. So we're going to look for the function that matches this letter or variable, which is g. So the function that matches with that is g of x equals 3x plus 1. This is the same as what we've been doing in the past days. So I'm going to substitute 10 on every value of x. Let me write it here. I'm going to write 10, that's the value, and 10 here. That's the value of x. Now let's going to evaluate. Negative 3 times 10 gives me negative 30. Drop down to plus 1. Now we have different sign here. So what does it mean? It means that we're going to subtract them. But we need to be careful. We need to use the sign of the larger number. The larger number is 30. So the answer here will be negative. Let's subtract 30 minus 1. It's 29. So the answer is g of 10 is equal to negative 29. Next question. This one, question letter F, which is find x if the function of h of x equals to 2. This is, we're going to work backwards. Same thing. The function is h, so we're going to match that on the given expression or equation or function. So what this match with h of x is equal to 12 over x. Okay. Again, let's change this color. So it means h of x equals to 2. This is backward. So this time, this group here, h of x, it means 2. Okay. Equals 12 over x. So this means there's two ways to do this. Cross multiply. That's the best way you can do here. So this is imaginary 1. 2 times x gives you 2x. 1 times 12 gives you 12. Now this is multiplying. The opposite of multiplying, let me write it here. 2x. The opposite of multiplying is dividing. Why do we need to divide? Because we need to isolate x. Divide is by 2. Divide is by 2. 12 divided by 2 gives you 6. So if you find x, the value of x is equal to 6. Thank you.